If you are wanting to learn how to grow your own garlic from store-bought garlic, then this video is for you. Hello friends and welcome back. I am Monica for those of you that are new to my channel, and I am the homesteading housewife. Now, I have not posted a video in almost 6 months, and I have a lot to talk with you about, but that is not today's video. If you want to know about that, let me know down in the comments. We'll make a cup of coffee and we will discuss all the good and bad stuff that has been happening over the last 6 months. Today's video is all about garlic. So let's just dive right in. This was planted in January 2023. So it is now November 29th, 2023. I got it in late, but as long as your ground is not frozen, you can go ahead and plant your garlic. So remember that if you're getting to this video well into winter, because our winter came a little late. So January was still perfectly fine to get the garlic in the ground, as you can see, because I got a nice harvest. I was able to get three. I lost a clove. I was able to get 3 of these little braids, which I know they aren't beautiful, but I did them. But I was able to get 3 of these plus what I had just picked prematurely just to use because I just could not wait. Now, these are store-bought and they are soft neck. So soft neck does not store as well as hard neck garlic. And I did this test in January because I just could not afford to buy a bulb of garlic for, $10, $15 and then, to make my own garlic. So I couldn't do that. So I was like, you know what? I've grown onions and potatoes from store-bought onions and potatoes. Why not do it from garlic too? So that's exactly what I did. And here we go. But like I said, it's soft neck. So these need to either be planted or they need to be used. We're going to be doing both. I have some canning that I'm going to be using them for, but we're also going to be planting them today. Next time I go grocery shopping, and I'm going to be specifically looking for hard neck garlic, and then I'll be planting those as well. So I'll have a mixture of the hard neck and soft neck. These were absolutely delicious, by the way. I just really want garlic scapes, and hard neck gives garlic scapes, and they store better. So I'm wanting them for those 2 reasons. But again, if you can only find soft neck, they're going to give you beautiful bulbs of garlic. So let me bring you in close and we'll dive right in on how easy this is to do. Okay, so this could not be more simple. I'm telling you, anyone can plant garlic. So you take your garlic clove, whether store-bought or, homegrown, and all we're wanting to do is peel into each individual garlic clove. So you do not want to open up the clove. You want to keep all of its wrapper, let's call it, its paper, still attached. That is what you want. So what you want it to look like. So if you happen to accidentally open one, then just go ahead and use it in dinner or something, because you don't want the actual garlic clove to be exposed. And then you also want to make sure whenever you're doing this that you're not getting any garlic, and it does not matter, small, big, it's going to do the same thing. But you want to make sure that there's no bad spots. Again, if there's bad spots, like this right here, I just peeled. So this right here, I just peeled off part of the. So this is going to go with dinner. But if there's any bad spots, you don't want to plant those, because you're essentially putting something that's already partially rotting in the ground to then further rot. So we don't want that. So, okay, I have a couple good ones. Well, bad ones, but good ones. So this one, for instance, it is very soft. And once we open it up, you can see that that is not a good clove of garlic. So this would not have grown us garlic. And then this one, see if I can get it to, so this one is firm down here, but you can see without even removing the peel that it has a bad spot. So these obviously are not even good for consuming, so they're just going to go in our trash pile. But that's just kind of what you're looking for. Now, if it just had like a small spot that you could cut off, but the rest of the clove was fine, then I would eat it. But that's not, those were not to that quality. So I find that putting your garlic in a raised bed just gives the best results. My ground has a lot of clay, so it's really beneficial to use a raised bed like this, because then I can really control what type of soil is in it. So these are ones that I made last year, and you can see I do have a little bit of weeds, but honestly, minus those two I just plucked, I don't have any weeds. And you just want to take your garlic, and then you're wanting, make sure, so there's the root side, that's the side we want down. So you want the pointy side up and the root side down. And you just want it, I just make a little hole, stick it in there, and cover it up. So maybe a fingertip under the soil. So you put the whole thing under, about a fingertip, and cover it up. That's all there is to it. You're supposed to space them between 2 to 3 inches apart, but honestly, as long as they have room to grow down and they're not super cramped, you can get away making them a little closer together. And mine, you can see I had really nice sized bulbs. Mine were really close together. So again, just to show you up close. So there's the root side, pointy side. Just make yourself focus, make yourself a little hole, stick it in, cover it up. That's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it out for yourself if you have been on the fence about growing your own garlic. I know for years I thought I had to have the seed garlic that you got from like the seed stores. Now, I'm not dissing seed stores. I just put in a nice sized order with Baker Creek. However, I can't afford to buy seed garlic like that. And now that I know I can do it this way, I'll never be buying it again. Now, the downfall to this is you don't know which variety you are buying. If you've been hesitant, try it my way. You will not regret it, and you will have a bountiful harvest of garlic come summer and fall. And I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching.